Tired of sinking balls and ready to say goodbye to your 8-ball pool account forever? Unfortunately, 8-ball pool doesn't provide a straightforward in-app delete account function. That means deleting the app won't get rid of your account. You'll need to send a request first. Open your 8-ball pool app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the settings icon. Usually it looks like a gear or cog. Tap on it. Now that you are in the settings menu, search for help or support and tap that. This usually opens a new window with fax and contact options. Within the help section, find a contact us button or a similar option. It might say report an issue or get in touch. Tap on it. Compose a new email in the subject line. Type account deletion request in the body of the email. Clearly state that you want to permanently delete your 8-ball pool account and remove all associated data. It's a good idea to include your unique ID or player ID. It helps them to identify your specific account. Address the email to Miniclip's customer support. You'll likely need to search on Google for the most up-to-date support email address. As an example, use support@miniclip.com. Once your email is ready, hit send. Miniclip support team will usually respond within a few business days. Follow any further instructions they provide. Remember, deleting your account is permanent, so be sure you're ready to say goodbye. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.